Hi, my name is Abby, and this is the Martin Yale 1611 tabletop AutoFolder. This easy-to-use model is ideal for mailrooms and offices with frequent medium to large-size jobs. The high-speed machine automatically feeds and folds a stack of documents up to 8.5 by 14 inches. This machine has 6 folding options and can fold 9,000 sheets per hour. Let's see how it works. Place a stack of paper into the paper feeding tray. The tray tilts for easy loading. You can also adjust the paper skew for more precision and control. Now it's time to choose your fold. The easy-to-follow guide shows you exactly how to adjust your folding tray to achieve the desired folding option. Let's say you want a trifold letter. All you have to do is follow the chart. Here, we set both tray number 1 and 2 to 3.67. Press the Start button, and there you go. For a simple bifold letter, set tray 1 to 5.5 and tray 2 to 0. The Martin Yale 1611 tabletop AutoFolder is the simple, cost-effective way to get all of your mailing needs done in a flash. Make sure to add it to your cart today.